Hi, this is Durga Prasad and my register number is UR15CS220. Today I am going to explain about the network program, that is dynamic routing. And then the dynamic routing means, here is the definition. So the dynamic routing is a networking technique that provides the optimal data routing. Unlike the static routing, in the static routing what we will do is the manually we have to give the all the details, but in this dynamic routing it will be allocated by the automatically by real-time logical network layout changes. So there are two different dynamic routing, that is one is the most popular as RIP and OSPF. So RIP means the routing information protocol, and the OSPF means on open shortest path first. So first we will consider about this routing information protocol, so that will be short termed as RIP. So there are two types of RIPs, that is RIP1 and RIPv1 and RIPv2. So in order to enter into the router mode, RIP mode, so router RIP is the syntax to enter into the routing internet information protocol mode. So to enable the dynamic routing protocol, enter the global configuration mode and use the router command. So in order to enter the global configuration mode, we have to use first of all enable the router, and then after that we need to go to the ipconf. So let's see here. So if I want to enable this router into the global first of all, in order to enter into the global configuration mode, I need to enable, and after that conf T. So it takes you to the global configuration mode. Here it is configuration mode, and then after that I need to use that. First of all, I need to give the IP addresses, and then if there is a clock, I need to set the clock frequency, and after that we need to, in order to uh, uh, enter into the RIP mode, we need to use the keyword syntax, that is router RIP. So that will be taken us to the RIP mode. So there are two RIP1 and RIP. This is the topology diagram, and then two is there, that is RIPv1 and RIPv2. So in order to enter into the RIPv1, that is okay, and then in RIP2 means write the comments as per your topology. So here same as that of the same thing, but here we use the RIPv2 protocol here. So this is the IP addresses for the second one, and that is the IP. There I have seen you. This is the IP addresses for RIP1 and RIPv2 IP addresses for all the end devices, routers, and everything. Okay, default gateway, everything will be given according to this table. So I have already given to all these things, that is I enable the routers and switch configurations, and then for PCs I have given the IP addresses. In order to give the IP addresses now means we need to go to the IP addresses and give this IP address according to the table I have given. You may give any number, anything, but the default gateway will be subnet mask will be given by this thing only. So in the same way I have given for all these things. So if I see this IP address means it is 192.168.3.2. So let's try to ping with this PC from here. So if it is pinging means it's dynamically connected. So just ping 192.168.3.2. So let's try to send the packets of data. Here it is showing that the pinging with this IP address with 32 bytes of data first have been timed out, and then after that 3 packets has been sent. Totally 25% loss has been occurred. So this is not a maximum loss, so it's pinging properly. So this is how this dynamic routing will be enabled. Thank you.